Real talk now. If when you wield it right, you wield this shit with authority. I'm telling y'all.
I said a real estate crisis intervention specialist, Gene.
They don't know anything about real estate. They're not sitting here on a Wednesday night listening to all this nerdy shit. And we're doing it for a reason. So removing them allows us to move freely and really wield the fucking authority that we walk with around here. Because if we're going to present ourselves as real estate professionals providing real estate solutions, well, we want to look professional because it helps us with our confidence in our competence. Selena had a good one. What'd she call it? A real estate crisis interventionist or some advocate, something. Where you at? Yell it out. So,
I said a real estate crisis intervention specialist, Gene.
Intervention specialist. Okay, real estate crisis. I like real estate crisis interventionist too, but real estate crisis intervention specialist. So we gotta live that. We gotta be that. We got to become that. If we are that, then we remove them from the situation because they don't know anything about real estate. They're not sitting here on a Wednesday night listening to all this nerdy shit, and we're doing it for a reason. So removing them allows us to move freely and really wield the fucking authority that we walk with around here. Real talk now. If when you wield it right, you wield this shit with authority. I'm telling y'all. So look at these numbers though. Check this out, man. This shit's insanity. I mean, it really is. This is a great deal, Portia. Great.
Wow.
So the estimated value, we got it at $213,000. Estimated equity on this thing is $185,000. Now here's the thing, guys. It says the mortgage balance is $27,725. It's not. It's $89,000 and some change. The mortgage balance is $89,000. I'll show you guys the last mortgage statement. A prop stream had the comps at $248,000, but these are like the more realistic numbers. $213,000 with $89,000 equity, and then I'm paying her $5,000 at closing and another $20,000. So that's what? $114,000. So there's what? About $100,000 sitting there, nice and pretty to work with. And this is a great desirable neighborhood. So off market, distress, it says no, but hell yes. Owner occupied, single family. So it's got this information, right? This is a CMA, a comparative market analysis. So realtors do these as well. They can probably get better information because this isn't all the way up to date. That loan balance is off. So go down here, talks about the loan. Look, it tells, you know, the day they bought it. How long have they lived there, Portia?
Yeah, almost 5 years.
Almost 5 years.
Yeah.
So look, 5 years, y'all, and we got $100,000 equity in this thing. Look, this up the street sold for $248,000 on the nose, damn near. Look at it, $187 a square foot in this thing. So here's the comps right here. So we can go through, we can send this. I had Bianca send this to my buyer a little bit before, my potential buyer, a little bit before we came on here. So he's an investor too, right? So I'm gonna talk to him about some terms, and we all gonna eat without a headache. I just love pushing paper and talking to people, and the numbers on this deal, I would love to keep it. This is why I'm talking to him tomorrow. But sending a packet like this is going to help you to look professional and seem as if you know what it is that you're doing. Because if we're going to present ourselves as real estate professionals providing real estate solutions, well, we want to look professional because it helps with our gravitas, obviously, and it helps us with our confidence in our competence. So I sent this to my investor buyer. Boom.